we have to find geometric mean of two numbers. What is geometric mean of two positive numbers we have here? So let me remind you of the definition. When we have two positive A and B positive numbers, so the geometric mean will be x is equal square root of A times B. In our example, A is equal 16, B is equal 24. So geometric mean will be equal square root of 16 times 24. So this is equal, we can have multiplication under square root, so we can rewrite that this is square root of 16 times square root of 24. So this is equal, square root of 16 is 4, and now 24 we can rewrite that this is 4 times 6. And again, 4 we copy, we have multiplication under square root, so we can rewrite that this is square root of 4 times square root of 6. So this is equal, 4 we copy, square root of 4 is, so it will be 2 times 2, square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2, and square root of 6 we have to copy. 4 times 2 is 8, square root of 6. This is my solution.